Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just looking at a car, we're gazing into the face of automotive divinity. This, my friends, is the 2024 Koenigsegg Jesko Odin, a machine that blurs the line between hypercar and mythical beast. Koenigsegg has always been synonymous with pushing boundaries, and the Jesko Odin is no exception. It's the ultimate evolution of the already insane Jesko, named after the All-Father of Norse mythology, Odin. And let me tell you, this car lives up to its namesake, design and aesthetics. Look at this thing. It's not just a car, it's a sculpture of speed carved from raw adrenaline. The aggressive aero package screams downforce, with a front splitter that could double as a runway and a rear wing that wouldn't look out of place on a fighter jet. The exposed carbon fiber bodywork glistens in the sunlight, showcasing the meticulous craftsmanship that goes into every Koenigsegg. And then there are those gold accents, a subtle touch of opulence that sets the Odin apart from its peers. But the Jesko Odin isn't just about showmanship, it's a masterclass in function. Every curve, every vent, every gurney flap is there for a reason. This car was born to slice through the air like a razor blade, leaving nothing but a sonic boom in its wake. Interior and performance. Step inside the cockpit, and you're greeted by a luxurious embrace of Alcantara and exposed carbon fiber. The seats are light thrones, sculpted to hold you in place during even the most violent cornering maneuvers. The digital instrument cluster displays all the vital information you need in a way that's both clear and concise. But let's be honest, who's looking at the gauges when you have a 1,600 horsepower beast waiting to be unleashed under your right foot? That's right, 1,600 horsepower. This isn't your average hypercar engine, it's a 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that sounds like a choir of angry angels when you bury the throttle. The 9-speed light-speed transmission shifts like a telepathic extension of your mind, catapulting you from 0 to 60 in a mind-bending 2.5 seconds. And if you have the cajones, you can keep pushing until you hit a top speed of over 300 miles per hour. But the Jesko Odin isn't just about raw power, it's a precision instrument. The active aerodynamics constantly adjust to keep you glued to the pavement, while the Koenigsegg Ghost system anticipates your every move, making you feel like one with the car. So, is the 2024 Koenigsegg Jesko Odin the ultimate hypercar? Well, that depends on your definition of ultimate. It's certainly the most powerful, the fastest, and the most outrageous, but it's also a work of art, a technological marvel, and a driving experience that will leave you speechless. If you're looking for the most extreme car on the planet, look no further than the Jesko Odin. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Drive it with respect, and you might just touch the face of divinity. What do you guys think of the Jesko Odin? Would you dare to tame this beast? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more wild rides. Thanks for watching.